I'm going to walk through an installation for SQL Server Express 2019. This is one of the newer versions, came out a couple years ago, and it can be used with CashFootprint Point-of-Sale. So the link on our website is for SQL Server Express 2008 R2. If you're having issues installing that, you can use this video for the 2019 version. So go to your web browser, search for SQL Server Express 2019. Click on the first link. It should be the Microsoft SQL Server 2019 Express webpage. Download that to your computer and go ahead and run the executable that's downloaded. Yes, you want to allow changes to the computer. Click on Custom and then Install. This is going to be a new SQL Server standalone installation. Click on Next. It's checking for updates. Click Next. Click Next for the rules. And we are going to perform a new installation. Click Next. Accept the terms if you agree. Click Next. Go ahead and uncheck Machine Learning. Okay, click Next. Go ahead and type in CashFootprint. I'm going to put the number 4 just because I already have a few instances installed. So it should look like this, CashFootprint. This will default to the same, the instance ID. So I'm just going to put the number 4 there and hit Next. Make sure the SQL Server browser is set to automatic. Same for the database engine. Click Next. We're going to specify mixed mode for the so we can assign a password. Password is going to be C4$H capital F little O 0 T capital P R1 N7. Click Next. There you have it. The installation is successful. So any questions you have, go ahead and reach out, and we'll talk to you soon. Thanks.